All right, I don't know whether the video is recording or not, but this is an attempt to see whether I can actually create videos. Let's start with it. All right, what I'll do now is I will quickly open up my Photoshop. Everyone is doing this film grading. It's like cinematic colors in their photos where the teals and the oranges are more pronounced. It's a different kind of color grading. Some people might like it. It's usually used at night photographs and night city photographs. It looks really cool with that. I don't have any such photos with me at the moment because if I try to download anything from the internet, you usually get where this effect has already been applied. So I've opened up my Photoshop. I'll just downloaded this image from Pixel. Yeah, so from Pixel I've downloaded that. I just made sure that it's focusing. I don't know whether it's recording or not, but it should focus at least. All right, this is the image. I think you can see it. It has greens and a little bit of yellows, and it's basically I've created an action. You can see there are two actions here. There are two types. I'll show you both versions how you can do it, but I'll show you how quickly you can do it. So once you click this button, the action runs and boom, there it is. Before, after. Let's zoom in a bit so that you can see it a little bit better. Before, after. Some people might like it. It's just the color grading. It works differently in different photos. So let's open up another one. Let's look at this one. Let's zoom it up a bit. And again, actions, boom, that's it. Very easy. Now if you want, I can show you how to create this action so that you can make it yourself, or I can share this action for free for you to download. Let me know what you want and I can do that in the next video where I will show you how to do this. Or should I do it now? Let's do it now. What the heck? All right, let's close. No, let's not close it. Let's, sorry, I was looking down because my camera is pointing right above that. So what I'll do is I will delete all this and I'll show you how to do it. So do it, what I'll do is first I will change this to normal setup and then close this and I will delete this action. All right, by the way, if you want, I can show you this one as well. So if I click this play button, it runs through, and this is another version, but this is a little different in color. It has more or little bit more of the yellow tone still. So I like the other one better. So I will delete this one as well. So what we'll do is we will create a new action. To create a new action, we have to click this plus button and it says, then you have to name it. So let's name it teal and orange. That's wrong. Okay, sorry. Yeah, sometimes I can't even type properly. Okay, let's color this red and press record. Once we press record, then we go to the adjustment layers and we click. What did I say? Click. We click on channel mixer. We click channel mixer and then we have three different output channels and we select the green channel, and the green channel we put the number 1. Yeah, it looks purple. And in the blue channel we put 100, and there you have it. That's it. Basically that's where it changes the channels from, it changes all the yellows and greens towards orange and magenta, and all the remaining color goes towards blue. So only 2 colors are active. But what we usually would do is we'll add another layer of hue and saturation. We'll go to the reds. We'll increase the saturation a little bit so that we know what we're doing. So we'll go to 12 and we'll change this to little bit of orange, maybe around 14. So this is more orangish, and we go to the cyans, and here we can increase the saturations a little bit, maybe towards 15, and we will add a little, we can change this a little bit towards the blue. So this is all. We click both this while pressing the shift button, and then we can go control G to group them into the same, to have them into the same group. Command G for Mac, control G for Windows, and we will name this group as teal and orange. What? Orange. Okay. And we can add some color to it. All right. So remember, the action is still running, so we just have to stop it. And that's it. Our action is ready. So basically now we all can just click this, and we can either go to button mode, which looks much better, right? It shows all the colors. So we click this, and boom, there you have it. Easy and simple. We can do this again with this one. So we delete all this, group and content, and we click this button, and there you have it. The good thing about this is you can go back and you can change the colors. So you can go to yellows, and you can change the yellows a little bit. Well, it won't show because we have changed in the channel mixer. So actually what we can change is the reds. So we can change the reds towards more red, more pinkish. I think it was better that way, like 13 or something, and maybe decrease the saturation a bit. Yeah, that's it. I like this better. Each image you can change a little bit here and there, but basically that's it. I will share this action with you, and you can download it and use it. All right, thank you so much. If you like this, let me know. I can make more of these videos. If you didn't like it, still let me know. I know this is my first time doing a tutorial like this, so there would be lots of mistakes. I haven't shaved, so next time I'll be more groomed. Hopefully you like this, and see you next time. Bye.